2015 Outlander Sport. This is how you replace the remote battery.
So we're going to open up the remote and we're going to use a small flathead screwdriver. If we look on the left side here, there's a little slot that we're going to use to split the remote open. So let's stick it in here. All I got to do is pry it open. And we'll open up just like this. And we're going to take this piece out here. If you look, this is the part with all the buttons and everything like that. We need to open this up. If we turn it around, there's a slot right here that we're going to use the flathead screwdriver. We're just going to split this guy open. On the back case, here is the battery. Pop this guy out. I get the new battery, and I'll show you what size it is, because it's a very small little battery in this guy. So we're looking at a CR20. It's actually a CR1620. I'm sorry. And if we notice that the positive sign will be facing down when we go to stick it back in here. So we can get it back in here. Okay, it's going to click in there. If you need a new battery, check down in the description box. There's a link that takes you to Amazon where you can pick up one of these batteries. They're like $1, so if you haven't bought one already, just get the two pieces, snap them together, and then we'll get our remote here, and make sure we don't lose any of the buttons. You gotta watch out with this remote because the buttons are all loose. Okay, like this one, we lost a little panic button here. Stick this guy back in. They just go back in place like that. Stick this on here, and then we just snap it all back together. We are done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. You guys take care, be safe. Have a great weekend.